This is going to be my next project. Lesco Pour can. An old petrol tin, petrol can, petrol tank, petrol pourer, whatever it is. I think it looks perfect the way it is. Many beautiful signs of its age and wearing. However, I have been requested to do a little something with it, so I'll do a little touch up on it. I don't want to lose 100% the aged look that it has. It has some very interesting textures and colours and scratches in there. It'll need a little bit of rush treatment, and I'll just start to restore some of the colours back into it without losing all of its aged and worn look about it. You still see some of the original blue paint, and this would have been silver paint, this would have been bright red, and I believe that these letters were outlined or coloured in. So I'll do that. I'll add a little bit more red, just a little bit more colour. I'm not going to do a full 100% restoration job on it like you would with a showroom car, but just give it a little bit of something. It's going to be used as a prop, more or less, on the back of a ute, bolted on. And well, we call them utes, some people call them trucks. Cleaned it up, rush treated it, I've enhanced, brought back some of the paint. It had barely any paint on it at all, just enough so I could tell what the original colours were. I looked online and found that they have white writing on it. Looks very good against the bright red that I used. And this is the tin that will be screwed onto the back of a ute, or a mini truck as some people call them. Well, it's a perfect day today here in South Taranaki. It's overcast, it's not too hot, it's not too cold. And what are we looking at? This is one of my latest restoration jobs. It had barely any paint left on it. I've added the red, I've touched up the writing. Still going to have a drop shadow. It's not entirely finished. This is where I've got it to so far. Touched up some of the blue, the red, the white, hang on, go and focus, and the silver. And this just hot off the press. I've finished this Lesco Pour can. Finished both sides. There's a little white star there. Some little scrolls in the corner. And a different colour and a different pattern on the other side. It's a very cold petrol tin. I'm happy how it's turned out. Hopefully the owner is too. See it from this angle, up close. Looks awesome. Let's go New Zealand. And just to record it with some different lighting, brought it inside so I can turn it around and film it. Different lighting. And there we have it. As you can see, it's all finished. I've finished both sides now. It's in the light. Looking great. There's a sneak preview of another video that will be coming up. A toolbox that I've also done some custom work onto. And this, the Lesco can. It's an awesome old petrol can. Super cool. And I'm very happy with the orange on the silver there. Looks awesome in the changing light. Orange and silver go well together because orange is hot and silver is cold. You get the hot and the cold mix. And on the other side, where I've done the white onto the silver, same thing again. Get some neat effects depending on how you catch the light. Sometimes the star actually disappears. I can show you that. Sometimes the star disappears and then sometimes it jumps right out. Quite a neat effect. Very happy with that. Star, scroll, Lesco NZ Pour can. Another fancy little pattern. Awesome.